Talafalava, my name is Melisa Stanley Van Horn and I am the manager for Sei Oriana Gift Shop in Mangere. It was progressing really well. We were on track. March is one of our really good months in terms of earning revenue. Basically, it meant that we weren't able to earn any revenue. We operate strictly on sales to manage the store, to pay our staff, pay our expenses. So the lockdown has severely impacted us in terms of our ability to maintain the operation of the shop. One of the major challenges that we're facing is cash flow. Ever since we closed down, we weren't able to generate any revenue. And one of the solutions that we put in place for that was setting up a website so that our customers can go online, and also trying to be active on our Facebook pages. Now that we're heading into level 3 next week, we're able to take orders and actually send them out. We also do deliveries. I think that we're going through something like this just makes us stronger as people. Pacific people are really resilient. We just need to adapt to the changes that are happening. So I think for us, we're going to be really proactive in pushing our online sales, as well as communicating with people on our social media more, as well as that we don't have any other choice but to refocus and possibly restructure. And I think that if we all just stay positive and believe that we can make it happen, I think we could.